beneath your feet, the Earth is alive. A world of fire, pressure, and raw power, waiting to break free. For ages, it's been bubbling, boiling, building strength, until one day, it erupts. When the Earth breathes fire, mountains rise, skies burn, and chaos creates beauty. This is the fiery heart of our planet. The story of volcanoes.
Imagine a mountain alive, breathing, waiting. Volcanoes aren't just rocks, they're Earth's fiery heart, ready to erupt at any moment. Beneath our feet, Earth is a boiling cauldron, layers of rock, some solid, some molten, and at the core, temperatures soar above 5,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the sun's surface. In the mantle, rocks melt into magma, a superheated mix of rocks, minerals, and trapped gases. Less dense than surrounding rock, it slowly rises like a balloon trying to escape water. But the Earth's crust acts like a giant lid on a pressure cooker. Gases like carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide gets trapped and pressure builds stronger and stronger until the Earth can hold no more. Then, kaboom! Fire, smoke, ash, and molten rock burst into the sky. That's an eruption. Earth is showing its raw power. Not all volcanoes erupt the same. Some are gentle, like Hawaii's lava flows. Some are explosive, like Mount St. Helens. And volcanoes come in many shapes. Shield volcanoes. They are wide with gentle slopes. Then comes stratovolcanoes. They are tall, cone-shaped, and explosive. And finally, cinder cone. They are small, steady, and quick burst. Most volcanoes are tectonic plate edges where Earth's crust cracks and shifts. But some, like Hawaii, appear in the middle of plates, hotspots, secret pipes from deep inside the mantle, creating new islands over millions of years. Mauna Loa in Hawaii is the largest volcano on Earth. Magma can reach 1,200 Celsius hot enough to melt steel. Ash from a single eruption can travel thousands of miles, coloring sunsets all over the world. Volcanoes create and destroy. Lava flows from fertile soil, mountains, and islands. But eruptions can also wipe out forests, towns, and lives. Yet, without volcanoes, our planet wouldn't be the same. They've shaped continents, ecosystems, and even our atmosphere over billions of years. So why do volcanoes erupt? Because deep inside, Earth is alive, always moving, always pressing, always reminding us of the power of nature. Volcanoes aren't just mountains, they are storytellers, shaping the world, one eruption at a time. Like this adventure? Hit that like and subscribe button and join us for more incredible stories from our amazing planet.